Hello guys, how are you? Uh, have you done your homework? Please don't work, okay? Work. Please do your homework. Okay, we are going to check this page 58, students book. And we are going to check something about disaster area. Okay, do you remember your listening? Have you answered your questions? Okay, then what we are going to do, we are going to do letter A, and we are going to mark with a tick the sentence that actually happened in the story. What this? Uh, Did it happen in the story? Do you remember? If you don't remember, check your history, okay? And what about this, the shelter? Did it happen? All right, listen to me. It's past, all right? Did it happen? Okay, the tornado passed over and the light was turned on. Okay, what about this picture? Do you remember what happened to the barn and the animals? Okay, if you recognize this action or this picture, please make a tick. And it is the last. Okay, did it happen? What do you think? This is a tornado. They were in the shelter and they didn't turn on the lights. Okay? I can help you to need tick. Okay? Then pay attention. Okay. Then we are going to work. You. Okay. We are going to. I'm going to try to show just a letter B. Let me check. Okay, something. Okay, it is letter B. We are going to check thing and as an answer, and we are going to do this because we have already listened or audio, and I think it is fresh, and then we can remember what happened in the audio. Okay, how did Jake's grandpa know there was going to be a storm? Okay, please first tell me what is the tense of this question, present or past? All right, then remember that did is the auxiliary when you need to make a question in past. All right, I have question word, auxiliary verb, that it is a tool when I want to make a question. I need a subject. In this case, the subject is Grandpa Jake's. All right, and this is my action. Okay, now. Okay, how did Jake's grandpa know there was going to be a storm? Okay, please, do you know it? What do you think? What do you think, guys? All right, I think he know there was going to be a storm because he's an old person. Okay, he has experience. Okay, he has knowledge. Okay, why did Jake's dad want to move the high quickly? Do you remember? Okay, again, look. What is the tense? This is my auxiliary verb when I will need to make a question in past, okay? And what is my action? Want, okay? Do you remember the meaning of want? Okay? Move the quickly. Remember? I remember because if they uh, didn't do that, then the high could be ruined. Okay, I think it was really necessary. Okay, then number 3, why was it hard for Jake to hear his dad in the bar? All right, why? What happened? Then pay attention again. What is the tense of this question? It is in past, but notice we are using verb to be in past. And remember, when we use verb to be in present or in past, we don't need an auxiliary okay? Why? Because verb to be it's too hard, then it doesn't need an auxiliary like this. All right, why was it hard for Jake to hear his dad in the bar? I think maybe for the noise to the hail. No, I think the hail was making noise on the roof in the barn. Do you remember? Okay, we are going to check. We have a question 4. Let me check if we can see. Okay. Do you? I hope you can see. Why did Jake's family see? Sorry. What did Jake's family see when they left the underground shelter? What did they say when they left the shelter? Do you remember? I think they saw that the house was still standing and the animals were wandering around. Okay, the animals. Okay, if you aren't sure about when you are writing, then please check your reader. Okay, you can use that and you can follow my words, or you can read and you can try to find your answers. Okay, and after that we are going to complete this chart that I think it's really interesting. Do you remember in our classroom or glass board we have what? Sorry, this is who, and it is relative. Who is Jake and his family? What are they? They are people. Then who is relative to people? Okay, again, please remember our glass board in our classroom. Okay, we have the question word what. Okay, and what it refers to? Do you remember? It refers to things, uh, places. Okay, and I think everything. And we to check when. When is your birthday? Then when do you go to church? Okay? It refers time. Okay? And where it says Jake's family farm. What is farm? Okay? Farm is a place. Okay? A ubication. Okay? Where is your mom? Maybe. Where is your school? Where is your jacket? I need an vacation. Okay? Then please do your homework, send me your evidence, and finally we are going to complete our oh sorry I am okay, we are going to complete our activity with activity book page 80, sorry, 58, disaster area. And we are going to do this because I don't want that you forget your video, your audio, and it will be a little bit more difficult. Then please number the picture in the order the events happen. What happened first, guys? Do you remember? What do you think? What can you see in this picture? I don't know. It isn't clear for me. Oh, yes. Here you can see Jake's mom, no? Jake and Jake's grandpa, no? And you can see the tornado. It couldn't be number 8. It can be number 1, okay? And animals are wandering. I think it isn't. It can't be number 4, okay? When they were working, they are working with the high. Do you remember? When they were moving the high, I think it isn't the fair. Okay, but what about this? I can see Jake's grandpa, and he is looking through the window, and maybe he had noticed that it could be a tornado. What do you think? Okay, I think this is number 1. And after that, I think the weather started to change. Then I think this is the second. Okay, they try to move the high quickly. Okay, yes, and after that they rushed to go out because the tornado was near, right? And they needed to go on the ground shelter. Okay, and I think finally the house was still standing, and the animals were wandering. Yes, wandering. Yes, I think this is number 4. Okay. And finally, we are going to circle the correct option to complete this sentence. Do you remember before the tornado hit, the sky was blue or gray? Before it means before. What do you think? Right? After, tan tan. Okay? Remember. Then, before the tornado hit, the sky was blue or gray. Okay? Jake's mom asked him to get a flashlight or food and water. Okay? If you don't remember, listen again your audio or read your reader. Okay? And, number 3, Jake and his family went to the shelter or barn. If you want to be safe, I think you need to go to the shelter. Okay? The hail tornado destroyed the barn. Okay, what do you think? Who destroyed the barn? Okay? The hail or tornado. Okay? And after the tornado hit, everything was covered in hay or hail. It's difficult, no? Hay or hail. Hay. It is hay or hail. Did you notice the intonation? Okay, then please circle your correct answer and send me your evidence by email. Bye bye. Next time. See you.